The Dakota Alert driveway alarm system offers an exceptionally long wireless reach of about 1 mile, which makes it suitable for larger properties where most driveway alarms fall short. Its rugged rubber hose lies across the drive and reliably detects only vehicles, so you are not constantly bothered by false alerts from people or animals. Installation is straightforward, with flexible pairing that allows many sensors to work with a single receiver or many receivers to share one sensor, making it easy to cover multiple entrances. The receiver can play a variety of alert tones, so you can quickly tell which area a vehicle has triggered without needing to look at the unit. The transmitter runs on a single 9-volt battery that typically lasts a long time, so once it is in place, you can mostly forget about maintenance. Backed by a long-established United States manufacturer that specializes in driveway alarms, this system feels purpose-built, durable, and dependable for everyday use.